team. Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how banana stem products are made, step by step.
The extracted fibers undergo a pulping process, where they are further refined and purified to ensure
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how banana stem products are made, triple-A'd, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.